Today we're going to be opening up this box right here to review the M-Audio KeyStation Mini 32 MK3. I'll be unboxing this mini MIDI keyboard and then I'm going to set it up in FL Studio to test it out. Welcome to Simple Green Tech. I'm Radio Zane, and if you're new to the channel, I do audio tech tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you unleash your creativity. If you're not new to the channel, thank you for coming back. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. It's the M-Audio KeyStation Mini 32 MK3. Links to it are in the description below, so you can easily click on it, check out the latest pricing, and get some more info. After I open it, I'll be setting it up in FL Studio and testing it out. But if you need help setting it up in another program, please let me know in the comments below. Now let's get opening it. All right, so here's the box. There was a piece of tape right there. I took that off. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. You have your keyboard here, your USB mini cable here, and your software instructions, warranty information, and your instructions on how to operate the KeyStation 32. You have your 32 low profile keys here. These are actually velocity sensitive keys, so if you press harder, it will sound different than if you were to play softer on the key. The M-Audio KeyStation Mini 32 connects to your computer via this USB mini cable. This also powers the MIDI keyboard, so there's no other cables needed. It's perfect for the mobile musician. Here's the software that you get with the KeyStation Mini 32. You get Pro Tools First M-Audio Edition, which includes some extra plugins that the base version of Pro Tools First doesn't come with. I'll be doing another video looking at this software in more depth, so be sure to subscribe and check back for that. You also get the Expand 2 software synth, which I already owned, and I've done a video on that. I'll link to it in the description below in case you want to check it out. Honestly, I really like Expand 2. It's a great workhorse synth. However, it does come with a lot of other MIDI keyboards, so it's not really a selling point for me. But it is a definite plus if you don't already own it. And I also got a copy of Addictive Keys Studio Grand. It says that it's a limited time offer, so it might not be available when you get this controller. Here's the KeyStation Mini 32 next to my 15-inch laptop. Look at that size. It's so nice for mobility or if you don't have a lot of desk space. Now here it is next to my M-Audio Axiom 25 MIDI keyboard. The Axiom is a 25 full-size key controller, and it's much larger than this 32 mini controller. I really love this little thing. I'm now going to connect the KeyStation 32 to my computer. I use Windows 10, and it's supposed to just connect, install itself without the need to install any drivers. So let's see how that works. There it is. Now let's get the KeyStation 32 set up in FL Studio. Now with FL Studio open, go up here to Options, click on MIDI Settings, and then down here where it says Input, you see KeyStation Mini 32 MK3. You click on that if it's not already highlighted. Then you click Enable, and that's it. Close this down. Let's open up an instrument and see if it works. There you go. This is a very cool little instrument. I've been a big fan of my M-Audio Axiom controller, which is why I went with another M-Audio keyboard. And I can really see this being my quick go-to controller for when I suddenly get musical ideas to lay down. Now I paid just $49 for this MIDI keyboard, and I think it's well worth it. I could see myself using the M-Audio KeyStation Mini 32 quite a bit, whether it's sitting on the couch and creating some beats, or sitting at my desk and having something to quickly connect to, or even shoving into my backpack and heading out the door. The build quality is solid enough. I'm not really concerned about breaking it while traveling with it. Let me know in the comments below where you plan on using your MIDI keyboard. Click this video right here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch next, and click this one down here for my latest video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more from me. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Radio Zane, and we'll talk soon.